3, 2, 1.
Ciao, ciao.
What does Lazio have? Lazio are 25 years or 26 years reigning champions of the UEFA Cup Winners' Cup.
सेरिया में अगर बोल सकते हैं मिलान एटलीस्ट लोकली इंडिया में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस क्लब्स सो अ प्लेयर लाइक लूका मॉड्रिच मोर और लेस आईबॉल्स लाता है जस्ट लाइक क्रिस्टियानो डिड फॉर यूवेंटस.
We can't go out and buy the biggest stars in the world. We can't afford them. We can't even buy the biggest stars in the league.
Anubhuti, we'll start with you. You mentioned when I did my homework. I'm stressing, I've done my homework really well. You mentioned how did you, if I had to ask you, was there one moment that made you fall in love with Lazio? And what's with being born in a jungle, if you can tell everyone where you're from?
So good to be here, and especially so good to be able to represent Serie A to all of you people. And the day that I started following this team was when they were playing a final. It was the last edition of something called the UEFA Cup Winners' Cup. Anyone here who remembers the Cup Winners' Cup?
OG Ronaldo.
OG Ronaldo, yeah, yes, someone like them. So the Cup Winners' Cup, the last edition of it had happened in 1998-99, and we are the reigning champions. So if anyone tells you that what does Lazio have, Lazio are 25 years or 26 years reigning champions of the UEFA Cup Winners' Cup. So that day, playing against Mallorca, I saw Pavel Nedved set up a goal for Christian Vieri, and that's when I fell in love with Lazio.
Let's move to Ajay, whose second favorite club is Lazio. Ajay, what was your moment of being a Roma fan, and where do you see that all these years that you stuck with the AS Roma, and what do you see now as Italian football? Here you are. I think the consistency of you staying loyal has probably paid dividends, and you have now a dedicated football podcast run by you and all of you guys. And here you are, a panel in front of people probably from other leagues, but they know the six fans exist.
सबसे पहले कसकाय मुंबई. आजा 3, 2, 1 में चाओ चाओ बोलेंगे. चाओ चाओ. 3, 2, 1.
Ciao, ciao.
तो भाई रोमा फैन बनना आसान बात नहीं है. फ्रांचेस्को टॉटी ने एक स्कैम चलाया, हम लोग सब रोमा फैन बने, एंड वी स्टिल आर रोमा फैंस. नो रिग्रेट्स. ट्रॉफीज कम है बट लॉयल्टी पैशन सब कुछ है. आई थिंक अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दूँ, द रोमांटाडा अगेंस्ट बार्सिलोना, सॉरी FCV फैंस, बट दोज आर द नाइट्स दैट वी लिव फॉर. ट्रॉफीज आएगा, द नेक्स्ट आई वुड से डेकेड और सो इज गोइंग टू बी रोमास. क्वाइट पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट, बट इट्स बीन अ गुड जर्नी, एंड हमारा टुगेदर एज कैल्चो चर्चा, ये इस मंच पे हम लोग सेरिया के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं मेन स्ट्रीम में, जहाँ पे प्रीमियर लीग फैंस है, रियल फैंस है, बारसा फैंस है. दैट इटसेल्फ इज अ स्मॉल विन फॉर अस. सो थैंक्स टू ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवन is where we are here today, and great opportunity to talk about Roma, Juve, Milan, Lazio, and Serie A, Italian football in general.
So probably you're in the business of in love with AC Milan, right? And also you founded a fan club in India. How do you see currently you have one of the global stars, like say Luka Modric, if I'm not wrong, right? He's playing for AC Milan. How do you see the shift? Because AC Milan has had some legendary players who've played across the league. The reason I'm saying that, there's always been eyeballs on AC Milan at least, because a lot of players who hop from here and there, the likes of Beckham and all of those guys, right? So currently you have Modric, who's been at his peak, and now also I think he's still in his peak.
Yes.
At the age of 40. How do you see the transition, and where do you see AC Milan now, and also like in India, as fans growing? Are they growing? If yes, then what push can probably someone like a Modric bring to it?
Oh, big push, yeah. First of all, I think Serie A में अगर बोल सकते हैं मिलान एटलीस्ट लोकली इंडिया में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस क्लब्स, सेरिया क्लब्स एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर जो 2000 में उनका डोमिनेशन था यूरोप में. प्रॉब्ली वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट नेम्स प्लेड फॉर मिलान. And at this moment also in Calcio community also, we have the biggest fan base in Mumbai. When we have screenings, we have the most fans turning up. So the fans are there. Dormant हो गए थोड़े मुझे लग रहा है. And you know, when you meet so many wonderful people here, like you know, who support Arsenal, United. So many people tell me that yeah, we want Milan to do well. So because when you see a team dominate so much, and the downfall is actually quite shocking, and that just goes with the league also. The league ka general downfall led to the club's downfall. So a player like Luka Modric more or less eyeballs lata hai, just like Cristiano did for Juventus.
I think Juventus have now created a new cycle. The base for the team is there. They're moving in a different direction, and I think it's the right direction at this moment in time, given that the entire structure is based on sustainability and youth. And I think that is really the reality for all Serie A clubs. We cannot, like in the 90s and early 2000s, we can't go out and buy the biggest stars in the world. We can't afford them. We can't even buy the biggest stars in the league anymore. So you've got to kind of create a youth funnel and use that funnel to create sustainability, not only to keep the team going, but also to sell these guys when they become more established. And I think you'll see that across all our clubs. As a player has reached a certain level, it's been time to sell him, either because we can't afford the wages or that money needs to go back to the club.
Chintan, I would request you to take the final word, and also if you can tell everyone where to follow Calcio Charcha, all the platforms and all of that.
First of all, एक तो मैं बोला fans हम लोग इधर आए हैं fans बनाने के लिए. My son is here. He is wearing a Milan jersey already. So yeah, we talk about Italian football. We are the only ones who talking about it. Hard pill swallow करके हम लोग मैं इंटर के बारे में बात करता रहता हूँ, प्रेस करते रहता हूँ. So follow us, Calcio Charcha. We talk about tactics. We talk about the Serie A predictions. We have our own show now, Cappuccino Pe Charcha. We had 2 episodes out. One with Manchester United Mumbai.
Hey, MUFCM.
MUFCM was a great episode. Then we had with FCB Mumbai also.
Hey.
So the idea for the show is, of course, to get the fan clubs, together and talk about their journey. And of course, we are chiming in because Cappuccino Pe Charcha hai, Italy hai. So we are putting in one Italian team also in the mix, so that people talk and hear about Italian football. We want Italian football to be heard in general, basically. So yeah, we'll keep going. हम लोग efforts डालते रहेंगे. पता नहीं उधर league तक पहुँचेगा, but we need your help, guys. If you help us, शायद league तक पहुँच जाए हम लोग. So and amazing support. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for having us here.